Virginia man wielding sledgehammer released after breaking into ex-girlfriend's home returns the next day. Let's dive into the details, shall we? Virginia man allegedly tried breaking into the same home twice in a matter of days with a sledgehammer and attempting to assault a woman inside. Martin Cobble, 40, used the sledgehammer to break into the home in Stamford, the Stamford County Sheriff's Office said. Cobble used to live in the home and was involved in an argument with an ex-girlfriend who resides there, authorities said. On April 15th, deputies responded to the home and saw Cobble using his fist in an attempt to break down the door, authorities said. He allegedly said he was there to assault the woman inside and was arrested on suspicion of attempted breaking and entering to commit assault with a deadly weapon, domestic assault and battery, as well as driving while revoked. The sledgehammer was found at the scene. Cobble was released and returned to the home 2 days later and tried using the hammer to break the door, police said. The hammer broke instead. Once inside, Cobble locked the doors, declared this was a hostage situation, and assaulted the victim, the sheriff's office said. Witnesses also heard him state he was going to kill you and everyone else to the victim. Cobble faces additional charges of breaking and entering, domestic assault and battery, abduction, violating a protective order, 2 counts of destruction of property, and driving while revoked. He was held without bond. Well, finally they learned. It's crazy. I don't know. They didn't state if he was released on bond. I think they would have said it in the first time. So I think they just released him even without bail. And then he's just crazy and just goes and tries to do it again. It's crazy. This is the thing that prosecutors do nowadays. It's like, oh, we'll just release you even if you're trying to do something violent. He told the police. He admitted, like, I'm gonna assault this woman. What did they think was gonna happen? Very interesting. But what's your opinion on the story? Please let me know in the comments below. Also, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for daily news updates, hit that notification bell, and share this video to help spread the news. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.